Hi everyone, welcome back. Today in this video we're reviewing a new AI tool. It's called Reloop AI. So basically you don't need any editing skills or prompting, nothing complicated. You just type what you want, like make me 25 seconds ad for my product, and AI do everything for you. It's create the script, picks the screens, added an AI avatar, voiceover, music, and even caption. I tested with mascara and what it's literally built a full TikTok style video in seconds. Hook, product shorts, rules, and strong STCR and to end. All automatically. What like most how fast it's you can go from idea finish ad in minutes, now hour or days. If you're doing a dropshipping, affiliate marketing, or selling your product online, this tool can save you a lot of time. No editing, no stress, just type and generate. Honestly, it feels like having a full creative team inside this tool. If you want to create ads faster, this small idea, this is worth to trying. And if you want to try it, you find the link in the description. And see you the next one.